Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Nokia 105. So first things first, press the middle button to head into the menu. Now if the language has already been changed, you can use the symbols, so this is the settings symbol, as an indication to where to look. So let's head into the settings, and you want to come all the way down and you see phone settings. If you're in a different language but you don't know, look for this phone symbol here and then click into that, and then at the very top it will be the language, the first option as it's highlighted, and then go into that, and then you can go through the different languages to select it. We'll stick with English. Then once you've checked the language, you want to press OK in the middle, and your language will be changed on the device. So let's say we want Espanol. As you can see, it's now changed, but it stays in the same position, so we can change it back to English. So that is how to change the language on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.